sure we enjoy the ride. So come on, let's go.
Got started, and basically it kind of, I have to backpedal a little bit on, not backpedal, but go back a little bit about me and who I am and what I'm like as a person. And you know, I've been thinking about it and kind of evaluating who I am. And basically what it comes down to is one word: passionate. I am a passionate girl. And that word can mean a lot all across my personality. So let's start with the blue ride. And then we can get into the details on how it came about and so forth. So I am a long haul truck driver, at least I used to be, and now I'm doing local truck driving for the next 3 weeks, and then I'm retired. But almost 2 years ago, I was on the road in the middle of Montana when I got the news that one of our deputies who worked with my husband was shot and killed. And I was devastated. I'm in the middle of nowhere on my way to Canada, and I can't be with my community, my blue family, the wife of Brian Ishmael, my blue sister. I couldn't be there to console her. I don't know her, but that's what we do. I didn't know Brian personally, but that's what we do. So there's passion. I'm a passionate person. I cried, bawled my eyes out all by myself, and then I got mad. And I was mad at my situation. I was mad at the dirtbag that killed him. I was mad that I couldn't be with my family, my friends, my community. So that is where the word passion comes in. When I love you with all of my being, with every fiber of my heart and my soul. I'm passionate. When I get mad, same thing. I'm very passionate. I get fighting mad. And I could hold a grudge. There's that word again. Passionate. And when you're my friend, I will fight for you. I've done it many times. Luckily, not lately, because I'm an old broad. But when needed, if necessary, I go to blows for my friends. Or the underdog. Sometimes the underdog is not my friend. It's just a stranger. Or like in high school, many moons ago, a couple of my fights in high school, was because someone bigger was picking on a little person, smaller than them. And it's just not right. It's just, so the underdog was, I fought for the underdog. Sometimes I got my ass kicked too. Not very often, maybe once. But I knew going down with the fight is better than standing by and seeing a smaller person, much smaller, getting picked on or beat up or, you know, bullied or whatever. It wasn't right. So that part of me stood up for him, and I was very passionate about it. 99.9% of the time I won because of my passion. Oh my God, this guy is killing me. So back to the blue ride. Double yellow, but I can't handle it. Anyway, back to the blue ride. I'm in Montana. I can't be with any of my family or my friends, my community, and I was angry and sad and all of the different emotions that go along with being a passionate person. I wrote this poem right here, and I meant it for Brian, but I'm able to use it across the board when one of our blue family is killed in the line of duty. And that helped, writing down my thoughts, kind of as a poem, but kind of like a prayer. And I want to share it with all of you guys because I think that it could help somebody else. Oh my goodness, I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Ah, that was so cool. Almost got him. Anyway, that was a pheasant, and I haven't seen a pheasant in California in forever. Anyway, I thought, you know, my friend and I were planning on meeting up in Sturgis, and him and his brother are law enforcement. You know them. They were at the first blue ride. He's right here. He said the prayer for the first blue ride. His name is Daryl Tullison from Tullison Life. And we had planned on meeting in Sturgis to go for a ride. Him and his brother, they're law enforcement. Andy is in law enforcement. And so I nicknamed it the Blue Ride. And I was excited about setting that up and everything. And it was just very chill, just probably the three of us, their wives if they were there, or four of us, Andy, myself, David, and Daryl. And if Clay was there, Clay and David's wife, if she was there. And I'm driving along and I'm sad, upset, pissed off, angry, and I decided I needed to do something. The next week I missed the memorial because, again, I was on my way to Calgary, and I decided, well, let's just change our blue ride with our friends into a charity. And so that was basically how the blue ride was born, is that out of my anger and sadness, I had to do something. So that's how it came about. And I started planning it and got some amazing sponsors, and they're back again this year. Almost all of them have come back. The ones that haven't come back, I haven't invited to sponsor just because of their location, and they're not really big on the internet, so it was difficult for people to take advantage of what their sponsorship was. So, and it was just one of them. Everybody else has joined the second annual Blue Ride, which is awesome. Here are some of the sponsors. So the word passionate has a lot of meaning, right? A lot of different meanings. And for me, I think it's the perfect description of who I am. As I said, if I love you with all my heart. And if I'm pissed off, stand by, because I hold a grudge. It may take months, weeks, months, years, forever for me to get over a grudge. And, you know, some people think that it's difficult to hold a grudge, that it's a lot of work. Not really. Not for me. I guess if it comes natural, it's not it's not difficult at all. In fact, one of my favorite cousins, her name is Jessie. She's amazing because she's so forgiving and so loving, and again, I'm loving too, but I'm also don't forgive very easy. And I mean, don't get me wrong, if you do something dumb and it was an accident and you take responsibility and say, oh, I'm so sorry, my bad, whatever, no grudge, nothing, you know, nothing bad, because I believe big people are big people and responsible when they own up to a mistake or an accident. You know, if somebody hurts your feelings and or whatever, and they say I'm sorry, that goes a long way. You know, but if you blow it off as no big deal, or you know, like their feelings don't matter, then that's not right either. So that's when I would hold a grudge. But you know, I'm just, what can I say, passionate girl. Anyway, you guys, this was a little chat on my way to work. I'm digging this local runs. The money is not what it's all cracked up to be, but I gave them my word that I would be here until the 30th, and so this is what I'm doing. And we have been crazy busy on the house, all in preparation of going full-time in the RV and hitting the road. First stop is, of course, the world record poker run. Pretty amazing. I cannot wait. That's going to be so badass. A group of people, like-minded people, all gathering in Florida and riding together, not necessarily in big groups, but along the same path, and ending up in Sturgis, the world largest rally and the most beautiful country to ride in. It's going to be amazing. And then once we are there, the second annual Blue Ride on the 8th. I'm so excited about this. What an awesome summer of riding it's going to be. And I'm excited to take you guys along with us. So if you want more details about the Blue Ride, you could check out the description down below. Purchase your tickets ahead of time. It will make it a lot easier for me. to keep track of the swag bags and, you know, the raffle tickets, because you get raffle tickets with your purchase of your riding ticket, and to try to win all of the cool prizes. And I'm going to do a video in the near future of all the cool prizes. Our sponsors really stepped up the game. Nelson Rig, holy criminy. Deb from Nelson Rig, she's like the biggest hearted lady I've ever met. She sent some really cool stuff. And we got custom dynamics, we have Viking bags, we have who else? Oh my gosh, I know I'm forgetting some of the people. Oh, burnt up wood. We have some killer burnt wood. And who else? I can't remember all of them because there's so much. Oh, Lot Tigers. Holy crap, for the first 150 people, they get swag bags, and they got some cool stuff in there. I just can't wait. It's going to be so much fun. So anyway, this is it for now. I am at the yard. I'm going to pick up this little truck that I'm in and do some deliveries, and then I'll be back for another part of my ride. I can't wait for this. What a great day. Check this spot out in the shade and everything. Woohoo! So what can I say? I'm a passionate girl. Until next time, enjoy the ride.